Too many people all around you. Too many people all around you, yeah. Are you even real? Till I submit up, pour out myself to run. Set the money in a bag, okay. Gotta see you in a minute all the time, always. Could been a minute, oh yeah. We could be the sunrise, yeah. Too lost in the minute, find out. Can't make your mind if I can't find you. Speeding down the road on your own, yeah. You are see falling without me, falling to the beat, going talk about falling without me, falling to the beat, going talk about too many people all around you, yeah.
So I thought I would talk through some things while I eat. I'm gonna probably eat after. I have been really loving eating this sandwich these days. It's just really easy. It's kind of like my go-to brunch food because it's kind of easy to just make in the morning. I don't have to really think about anything. So currently I am going through a transitional time in my life. There's just like a lot of things happening in the back. So yeah, the things are gonna be really interesting. But I think with all the things that are going on, I'm hoping that I'll have more time to kind of document my life. The room I am in, which is the office / guest room, I've kind of just kept it very simple and minimal. I don't know if I ever ended up showing you guys. Hold on. Let's do a little tour. So what I got going right now is as soon as you enter, I have my little makeup station, my yoga mats. This is honestly really what it does look like. I have my little plia chair here because I just had extra space. My desk chair, Facebook Marketplace, this Facebook Marketplace, my foldable desk, my work laptop, my personal laptop. I never expected to be someone with like all these like intense setup, but it ended up happening. And then I have my money tree here, and she'll get a lot of light here. My little side table that I really love the color. That's kind of where it was just now. A cute little twin bed that I just like to chill on during the day. And then the partition from the old apartment that I'm still trying to find how I'm going to utilize. I had a lot of ideas and then they did not work out. A small closet just for like random things. And I don't know, I think we talked about this Lego thing, but yeah, my little Lego piece is now up. So yeah, very, very small, simple room. Good for working, and if someone ever comes over and stays for a while, they can chill here, work here, and I can move my workstation. I don't really have anything planned for this week, but you know, chill week, really enjoying my space and this new life. So yeah, this is a week of change. This is my dinner for today. I've pretty much been just working all day, but I made some pasta with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and I had shallots, which is new. It is literally 11:00 p.m. and I'm suddenly having this urge to cut my bangs. I keep on looking at the mirror this whole day and I just feel like my hair looks really bad. Like it looks so flat and lifeless, especially in the front. I'm like, should I cut? Not like actual short bangs, but like I used to have all these be like up to here, so it's grown out a bit. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, that looks pretty okay. Thank God I have like these thinning scissors. Okay, I think it's fine. When I get out of the shower tomorrow, I'll probably be able to tell a little bit better. But I'll also probably like curl it, but I feel like it looks a little bit more like there's something going on, so the best I could do. Oh my god, he's gonna jump. Oh my god, isn't he so cute? I don't know if I ever showed you guys this little bed that we got him, but he loves it. And he sleeps here all the time, and now he's resting his little head. Someone was selling more beds on Facebook Marketplace, and Henry loves these hammocks. So I got 2 because she was getting rid of 2, and these are pretty minimal. So I have this one, and what do you know? This guy's already on this one. And this is the other one. Henry really likes the texture of this one. I don't know if it's because it's like kind of like a scratchy material. But yeah. I'm getting ready this morning because I have to go into the office. Definitely not what I want to do, but it is what it is. But thankfully, today is the first day without rain. It has been rainy all week, which has not been fun. So today is kind of the first day back with sun. It is still cold at night. Like today, I think they said it was gonna be high 70, like high will be low 70s and low will be like 57, which is pretty cold, but like also 70s, I don't know, like what am I supposed to wear? But today is an extremely exciting day because after work I am doing something really special. I am not gonna say because you'll just have to see later.